Day 7, going to Universal. Haven's gonna poop his pants.
I feel like I'm
And then go to daycare.
Without a magic band.
And then go to daycare. Oh, without his magic band. Haven lost his magic band.
Which isn't surprising considering how often he was taking it off.
Poopy pant daycare, no magic band.
Poopy pant, daycare, no band.
Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said
Spider-Man ride. Nobody sees it.
we were victims of the night. The chemical, physical, kryptonite. Helpless to the base and the fading light. Oh, we were bound to get together, bound to get together. She took my arm, I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said, oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, ooh, shut up.
Well, Island, are you scared, Morgan?
I'm a cannibal myself.
Beat up sneaks. My discotheque, Juliet, teenage dream. I felt it in my chest as she looked at me. I knew we were bound to be together, bound to be together. She took my arm, I don't know how it happened. We took
Okay, guys.
Hi.
Put away your red camera at this time.
Avery says, did you see her?
What?
They asked, do you want to buy these? And she's like, yeah.
Wait, are you here to see Apple?
Is he here?
No. I was gonna tell you where to find him if you needed to find him. He's expecting a shipment of goats, and he said to look out. And I don't know who to look for. Are you here with a shipment of goats?
We are not here with the shipment of goats. We have some children.
What gifts do we have for them? We have house elves, madam. House elves. This is
Good
useless.
point. Good point.
I mean,
Okay, Rachel, where
I
we
wouldn't
at?
do it. You guys are way more
Adventure
troopers.
journey.
If I saw the line out there, I'd be like, I'm gonna sit in the customer.
Are you ready to board the Hogwarts Express? Okay, Rip Ride Rocket, what do you think?
It was the best roller coaster ever.
What song were you singing?
You say it. I will survive.
We're getting ready to do the Minions ride. There's only an hour left. Are you ready?
Shut up.
me to be except you. All I wanna do is be with you. They all tell me that there's something strange. I don't wanna meet nobody new.
Foot long chili dogs from Krusty Burgers.
life sounds like. I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive. This is what it sounds like. I'm alive. How come every day something?
Hello, what's your name? Avery? Hi, Avery. I'm a shotgun head. It's nice to meet you.
Kid, wake up, it's waiting for you under the sun.
Eat the shit.
Hold it, learn it, what you want's already begun. Don't let regret start a party in your head. Nowhere compares to the places you'll be led.
Okay, sourpusses, where are we at for our dunch?
Great, I just did. I'll show you.
The twosome chocolate cornmeal.
All right, for some dunch.
Oh,
What was the most epic ride today?
Rip Red Rocket.
The Rip Ride Rocket? Okay. Universal all day, and now we're doing extra magic hours, Magic Kingdom. Rachel's stressed because we have a fast pass. Great sunset at Disney. Sunset Disney style.
Ooh, baby, do you know that that's what? Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. They say in heaven, love comes
Now we're going on the Pirates of the Caribbean.
on earth. Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. When the night falls down, I wait for you and you come around, and the world's alive with the sound of kids on the street outside. When you walk into the room, you pull me close and we start to move, and we're spinning with the stars above, and you lift me up, you know we're
Honey, love, love, ooh, ease my mind. And I need to find time, someone to call mine. My mama said you can't hurry love, no, you just have to wait. She said love don't come easy, but it's a game of give and take. You can't hurry love, no, you
Here's the line for Space Mountain as we're getting off. After the fireworks show, everybody comes straight over here.